జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కౌసల్యాదేవి కాన్ఫరింగ్, bestowing all kinds of blessings and huge amount of highly powerful amount of protection to Ramachandra Swami. Kausalyadevi suppressing all her grief because she knows that she should not be crying before Rama leaves from there, but she is unable to bear that grief within her. She is trying very hard to suppress all the pain within herself and pretending that she is happy. She is trying to put a happy face and trying to speak out but unable to speak out. Anamya Murdhnicha Agraya Parishvajya Yasasvini. She has taken Rama very close to her. She took Rama's head. Rama bent his head. Kausalya Devi put her hands on Rama's head and giving blessings. After that, she kissed on the forehead of Rama. Then Kausalya Devi hugged Rama tightly and now saying that, "Ho Rama, Gacha Rama Yadha Sukham." You can now go and come back safely. Come back very successfully. Arogam, Rama, take care of your health. Sarva Siddhardham. You will be successful, Rama. You have to come back. And again you have to take this kingdom into your hands. Rama, I will be waiting for you. I feel like if all these 14 years passes just like that, I would be very happy. Rama, as and how a full moon starts coming out, like that, when you coming back to Ayodhya from Aranyam forest, I want to see that kind of scene as soon as possible. Rama, only then, after seeing you back coming, only then I will be happy. Come back, take this kingdom, enjoy all the pleasures of kingdom, and also you have to make sure my daughter-in-law, your wife, Sita, also enjoys all the pleasures. After you come back, you have to arrange so many wonderful garments and wonderful ornaments to Sita. Like that, Kausalya Devi saying so many things and also giving blessings to Rama, and now saying that, Rama, now I am going to start worshipping Paramasiva. I will worship all the Devatas. I will worship all the Maharshis, and they all will be protecting you while you are wandering in the Aranyavasam. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, We want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.